so tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a grape raspberry smoothie. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Don't forget to share guys, and continue support my channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for your support so far, and I appreciate every one of you. All those who don't subscribe and only watch, I appreciate you, but when you watch, please like my videos. Thank you. Follow me on all social at Anbooth. Thank you so much. Alright, so let's get right into this video. So it's a grape raspberry smoothie. So I have here some grapes, some red raspberries, some pumpkin seed, and some flaxseed. I have my yogurt, one ripe banana, and I have my milk that I'm going to be using, 1% low fat milk. I'm using this milk today guys. Yeah, so let's get started. So first I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender, the grapes, banana, raspberry, let's add the seed first because smoothies, the yogurt don't mess up the spoon. So some pumpkin seed, some flax seed, and then I'm gonna add the yogurt. And for some milk, so guys, that's about a cup or a half, 3/4 cup. Cover and blend. Ooh. And there you have it guys, my grape raspberry or raspberry grape smoothie, one of them. Don't remember what I call it, but yeah. So I'm gonna glass this now. Guys, look at it first, so beautiful. Ooh, still have the pinkish look. Right there, berries. So berries are very strong, so whatever color it is, it always takes on that. Okay, so let's glass this. Wow. Let's have this. Yummy. So yummy, guys, so tasty. Go ahead and try this grape raspberry smoothie. You will love it. It's so tasty, so nice. No sweetness, no sugar, only the fruits that are sweet. You could go ahead and substitute the milk for orange juice or coconut water, and go ahead and make this smoothie. Okay, so remember to like, share, comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.